Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from May's Boxycharm by Ipsy. This month's theme is Born to Bloom. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist, Merci Handy Facial Cleansing Gel, Rodial Pink Diamond Lifting Oil, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops, and the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Extra Shine Lip Gloss. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, let's talk about the Olaplex Blow Dry Mist. I just used this to blow dry my hair, and it feels so soft and definitely a bit more shiny and voluminous as well. So I'm excited to test this out some more. Now I'm using the Merci Handy Facial Cleansing Gel. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to try it out. This has a foaming gel texture and a strong floral scent. Next, let's try the Rodial Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. This is the most expensive product in the box at $75. My dry skin loves an oil, so I'm excited for this. I've received a lot of Rodial products from Ipsy, and I think this is probably one of my favorites. After that, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hue Drops. This serum features the brightening and hydrating power of the best-selling Dew Drops, now in 2 sheer tints. This is the shade Sun Glow. These feel just like the Dew Drops and give that luminous effect, but with an additional bronzed glow. Finally, I'm applying the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Extra Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Sugar Baby. It's such a pretty baby pink color. It's so pigmented and juicy, I love it. Here's the finished look using products from May's Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.